Lecture 4: Understanding Economics, the Backbone of Business. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Understanding Economics series. Before we begin today's lecture, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy easy and informative lectures like this one. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming lectures from our channel. Your support motivates us to create more valuable educational content for you. Now let's begin today's topic: Understanding Economics, the Backbone of Business. Main lecture, 10 minutes. Imagine running a business without understanding customers, prices, profits, costs, or markets. It would be almost impossible to succeed. That is why economics is called the backbone of business. Economics helps businesses understand how people make decisions, how markets work, and how resources can be used efficiently. Whether it is a small shop, an online store, or a multinational company, every business uses economic principles every day. Today, we will explore how economics shapes business decisions and why every entrepreneur should understand basic economics. 1. What is economics? Economics is the study of how people and businesses use limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Resources are always limited. For example, time is limited, money is limited, labor is limited. Raw materials are limited, but human wants never end. Economics teaches us how to make the best possible choices with limited resources. Businesses use economics to answer important questions such as, what should we produce? How much should we produce? What price should we charge? Who are our customers? How can we increase profits? Without economics, businesses would make random decisions. 2. Economics helps businesses understand demand. One of the most important concepts in economics is demand. Demand means how much people are willing and able to buy at a certain price. Businesses carefully study customer demand before launching products. For example, if customers want affordable smartphones, companies focus on budget-friendly models. If demand for electric cars increases, car companies invest more in electric vehicle production. Understanding demand helps businesses avoid losses and increase sales. Successful businesses always listen to the market. 3. Supply and business production. Another major economic concept is supply. Supply refers to how much producers are willing to sell at different prices. Businesses must balance supply with demand. If a company produces too much but customers buy less, products remain unsold. If a company produces too little while demand is high, customers may go to competitors. This balance is extremely important. For example, during festive seasons, businesses increase production because demand rises. During economic slowdowns, production may decrease to avoid losses. Economics helps businesses make smart production decisions. 4. Pricing strategy and business pricing is one of the biggest challenges in business. Economics helps companies decide the best price for products and services. If prices are too high, customers may not buy. If prices are too low, the company may earn little profit. Businesses study customer income, market competition, production costs, consumer behavior. Then they create pricing strategies. For example, luxury brands keep high prices to maintain exclusivity. Discount stores use lower prices to attract more customers. Economics explains why different businesses use different pricing methods. 5. Opportunity cost in business. Every business decision involves opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means giving up one option to choose another. For example, a company has enough money to open a new branch or launch a new product. If it chooses the branch, the new product opportunity is sacrificed. Businesses constantly compare options and select the one with the greatest benefit. Economics helps managers make better choices. 6. Economics and profit maximization. Every business wants profit. Economics teaches businesses how to maximize profits while minimizing costs. Companies try to reduce waste, improve efficiency, increase productivity, control expenses. For example, a factory may use advanced machines to produce goods faster and cheaper. A business that controls costs effectively usually becomes more competitive in the market. Profit is not only about earning more money, it is also about managing resources wisely. 7. Role of competition. Competition is another important part of economics. In competitive markets, businesses improve quality, prices become fairer, innovation increases when companies compete, customers benefit. For example, smartphone companies constantly introduce better cameras, faster processors, improved battery life. Why? Because competition forces businesses to improve. Economics helps companies understand their competitors and survive in the market. 8. Economics. During inflation. Inflation means a general increase in prices over time. Businesses are greatly affected by inflation. When inflation rises, raw material costs increase. Transportation becomes expensive, employee salaries may rise. As a result, businesses may increase product prices. Economics helps businesses plan for inflation and manage financial risks. Smart companies prepare for economic changes before problems become serious. 9. Global economics and international business. Today, businesses are connected globally. A company in one country may manufacture products in another country, sell products worldwide, import raw materials. Internationally, economics helps businesses understand exchange rates, international trade, global demand, economic policies. For example, if import taxes increase, product prices may rise. If currency values change, profits can also change. Modern businesses cannot grow internationally without understanding economics. 10. Why entrepreneurs must learn economics. Many successful entrepreneurs study economics because it improves decision-making. Economics helps entrepreneurs understand markets, predict trends, manage risks, control costs, identify opportunities. Even small business owners use economics daily without realizing it. Whenever someone decides what to sell, how much to charge, how to advertise, how to manage expenses, they are using economic thinking. That is why economics is truly the backbone of business. Conclusion. So today we learned that economics plays a major role in every business activity. From pricing and production to profits and competition, economics helps businesses make smarter decisions and grow successfully. Whether you want to become an entrepreneur, a business owner, a manager, or an investor, understanding economics can help you succeed in the real world. If you enjoyed this lecture, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who want to learn economics in an easy way. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lectures. Thank you for watching, and we'll meet again in the next lecture of our Understanding Economics series.